Hello there and welcome to the new Google Data Studio tutorial. And in this tutorial, I will going to show you how you can add additional data sources. So far I've shown you how you can add a data source and work with that for the creation of charts and all. But if you have a need that you want an additional data source, which is not probably associated with the existing data source, but indirectly or separate but meaningful for the visualization, so that along with the existing data source, which is right now let's say the sample superstore, you want to bring any other data source which is complementing it, probably not connecting but complementing it. So in that case you can do the additional data source loading by coming over here, add data. Choose for the option where you want to go for adding the data, or you have the data sources that you have already imported. So in that case, let's say if the admission prediction is something which I want to add along with that existing data source, which is Superstore, then that data set is now also added over here. So for that, I can now create one more report if I need, let's say another chart, which is a bar chart over here. And this bar chart will now start using the admission prediction. However, I always have the capability where I can click over there and again, change the data source from here itself. But to add it, let's say if it is completely new, then you will going to connect either via the Google Sheet or any other data connector which is given over here for the purpose of doing the analytics. And this way it is up to you number of data sets that you may want to add by not having the condition to join it, but to show the visualization side by side or the chart side by side, so that they make more sense when end user is seeing it as a combined report or dashboard. So that's very quickly about how you can add multiple sources by coming over here in the add data and produce the visualization in the front end.